សួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នា Hello everyone ថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំមកដូចសពមួយដងអញ្ចឹងគឺចែករំលែកចំណេះដឹងផ្នែកភាសាអង់គ្លេសប៉ុន្តែថ្ងៃនេះមានអីប្លែកគឺយើងយកប្រយោគសន្ទនាប៉ុន្តែបែបថ្នាក់មធ្យមភាគច្រើនក៏មុនខ្ញុំ share ចែករំលែកតទៅនឹងសម្រាប់អ្នករៀនដំបូងណាឥឡូវយើងធ្វើថ្នាក់មធ្យមម្ដងអញ្ចឹងតោះយើងចូលមើលកិច្ចសន្ទនាទាំងអស់គ្នា How long have you had that rest? How long have you had that rest? Rest នឹងប្រែថាកន្ទួលរមាស់ណាតើអ្នកមានកន្ទួលនេះយូរប៉ុណ្ណាហើយ A few days. It's really itchy. A few days. It's really itchy. Itchy ប្រែថារមាស់ពី3ថ្ងៃហើយវាពិតជារមាស់ខ្លាំងណាស់ Did you eat anything strange? Did you eat anything strange? តើអ្នកមានញ៉ាំអ្វីប្លែកទេ I'm not sure. Maybe. I'm not sure. ខ្ញុំមិនប្រកាសទេ Maybe ប្រហែលហើយ You should let the doctor look at it. You should let the doctor look at it. អ្នកគួរតែឲ្យគ្រូពេទ្យពិនិត្យមើលទៅ I'll go tomorrow. ខ្ញុំនឹងទៅនៅថ្ងៃស្អែក Should I call the landlord about the hot water? Should I call the landlord about the hot water? តើខ្ញុំគួរទូរស័ព្ទទៅម្ចាស់ផ្ទះអំពីទឹកក្តៅទេ Yeah, please do. He has to fix it. Yeah, please do. He has to fix it. តែទៅគាត់ត្រូវតែជួសជុលវា He need to send a plumber to look at it. He need to send a plumber to look at it. គាត់ត្រូវបញ្ជូនជាងទឹកមកមើល Okay, I call him. Okay, I'll call him. Okay, ខ្ញុំនឹងទៅគាត់ What are you looking at? What are you looking at? តើអ្នកកំពុងមើលអ្វី I'm looking at our battery sample from yesterday. I'm looking at our battery sample from yesterday. ខ្ញុំកំពុងមើលគំរូបាក់តេរីពីម្សិលមិញ How do they look? How do they look? តើពួកគេមើលទៅយ៉ាងណាដែរ The bacteria are growing well. It's success. The bacteria are growing well. It's success. បាក់តេរីលូតលាស់បានល្អវាជោគជ័យហើយ Great. Great. ល្អខ្លាំងណាស់ Do you have time to look at the cell data? Do you have time to look at the cell data? Cell data ទិន្នន័យលក់តើអ្នកមានពេលមើលទិន្នន័យលក់ទេ I looked at it yesterday. I'm just writing a report on it. I looked at it yesterday. I'm just writing a report on it. ខ្ញុំមើលវាពីម្សិលមិញខ្ញុំកំពុងសរសេររបាយការណ៍អំពីវា Great. How are we doing? Great. How are we doing? ល្អណាស់តើពួកយើងធ្វើបានយ៉ាងណា Sales are up. So that's the good news. Sales are up. So that's the good news. ការលក់មានការកើនឡើងដូច្នេះវាគឺជាដំណឹងល្អ Glad to hear it. Glad to hear it. រីករាយដែលបានលើបែបនេះ What happened to your arm? What happened to your arm? តើដៃរបស់អ្នកកើតអ្វី I fell over when I was playing the soccer and hurt it. I fell over when I was playing soccer and hurt it. ខ្ញុំបានដួលពេលលេងបាល់ហើយក៏ធ្វើឲ្យវាឈឺ Ouch, that must have hurt. Ouch, That must have hurt. អូចពួកបរទេសអូចហ្នឹងបានន័យថាដូចខ្មែរយើងនិយាយអ៊ុយអញ្ចឹងណាអូយច្បាស់ជាឈឺហើយ Yeah, I had to go to hospital. The doctor looked at it and sent me for X-ray. Yeah, I had to go to hospital. The doctor looked at it and then sent me for X-ray. មែនហើយខ្ញុំត្រូវទៅពេទ្យគ្រូពេទ្យបានពិនិត្យនិងបញ្ជូនខ្ញុំទៅឆ្លុះកាំដាក់ស្បែក Is it broken? Is it broken? តើវាបាក់ទេ Luckily no. It's just a bad sprain. Luckily no. It's just a bad sprain. សំណាងវាមិនបាក់វាគ្រាន់តែទង្គិចខ្លាំង At least it's not broken. At least it's not broken. យ៉ាងហោចណាស់ក៏វាមិនបាក់ដែរ Why does your computer has a crack on screen? Why does your computer has a crack on screen? ហេតុអ្វីកុំព្យូទ័ររបស់អ្នកបែកអេក្រង់ I went to a computer repair store to have a keyboard repair, and the repair guy dropped it on the floor. I went to a computer repair store to have the keyboard repair, and the repair guy dropped it on the floor. ខ្ញុំបានទៅហាងកុំព្យូទ័រដើម្បីជួសជុលក្តារចុចហើយជាងបានធ្វើឲ្យវាធ្លាក់ No way! How did he do that? No way! How did he do that? មិនអាចទេតែគាត់ធ្វើឲ្យធ្លាក់យ៉ាងម៉េច I don't know. He was looking at the keyboard and he turned it upside down. That's when it slipped out of his hand. I don't know. He was looking at the keyboard and he turned it upside down. That's when it slipped out of his hand. ខ្ញុំមិនដឹងទេគាត់កំពុងតែមើលក្តារចុចហើយត្រឡប់វាមើលហើយក៏ល្អិលល្បូតពីដៃ Are they going to pay for the damage? Are they going to pay for the damage? តើពួកគេនឹងសងថ្លៃខូចខាតទេ Yeah. They are going to fix everything for free. Yeah. They are going to fix everything for free. មែនហើយពួកគេនឹងជួសជុលគ្រប់យ៉ាងដោយឥតគិតថ្លៃ So they should. So they should. នេះជាអ្វីពួកគេគួរធ្វើ Hi. Is that IT support? Hi. Is that IT support? សួស្តីនេះគឺ IT support មែនទេ Yes. How can I help? Yes. How can I help? មែនហើយមានអ្វីខ្ញុំអាចជួយបាន My computer won't log on. My computer won't log on. កុំព្យូទ័ររបស់ខ្ញុំចុចចូលមិនបានទេ Okay, the network might be down again. The technician was looking at it yesterday. I thought he fixed it. I checked it what happened and called you back. Okay, the network might be down again. The technician was looking at it yesterday. I thought he fixed it. I checked what happened and called you back. Okay, ប្រហែល network សោយម្ដងទៀតហើយជាងបានពិនិត្យកាលពីម្សិលមិញខ្ញុំគិតថាគាត់បានជួសជុលរួចហើយខ្ញុំនឹងពិនិត្យថាវាមានអ្វីវាមានបញ្ហាអ្វីរួចទេតើ Is the light still broken? Is the light still broken? តើអំពូលនៅខូចទៀតមែនទេ Yup. But the guy is going to look at it tomorrow while we are out. Yup. But the guy is going to look at it tomorrow while we are out. មិនហើយប៉ុន្តែគេនឹងមកមើលនៅថ្ងៃស្អែកពេលពួកយើងទៅខាងក្រៅ Good. Otherwise we have to study by candlelight. Good. Otherwise we have to study by candlelight. ល្អបើមិនអញ្ចឹងទេពួកយើងនឹងត្រូវរៀនក្រោមភ្លើងទៀនហើយ Are you busy now? Are you busy now? តើពេលនេះអ្នករវល់ទេ A little. I'm in middle writing an essay. Why? A little. I'm in middle writing an essay. Why? រពលបន្តិចបន្តួចខ្ញុំកំពុងសរសេរអត្ថបទបានពាក់កណ្ដាលមានការអ្វី I download a program from internet and now my computer don't work. I download a program from internet and now my computer don't work. ខ្ញុំ download កម្មវិធីពីអ៊ីនធឺណិតពេលនេះកុំព្យូទ័ររបស់ខ្ញុំវាអត់ដំណើរការទេ Thank you. You are a lifesaver. Thank you. You are a lifesaver. អរគុណហើយអ្នកគឺជាអ្នកសង្គ្រោះជីវិត No problem. គ្មានបញ្ហាទេឬក៏មិនមានបញ្ហាទេ Is it bad, doctor? Is it bad, doctor? តើវាធ្ងន់ធ្ងរទេ Well, I look at your X-ray and there doesn't seem to be anything major damage. Well, I look at your X-ray and there doesn't seem to be any major damage. ខ្ញុំបានមើលការពិនិត្យកម្រិតស្មេ X របស់អ្នករួចហើយដូចជាមិនមានបញ្ហាអ្វីធ្ងន់ធ្ងរទេ That's a relief. That's a relief. បែបនេះខ្ញុំធូរចិត្តហើយ It looks like a bad sprain. You'll be okay in 6 to 8 weeks. It looks like a bad sprain. You'll be okay in 6 to 8 weeks. វាដូចជាទង្គិចខ្លាំងអ្នកនឹងជាសះស្បើយក្នុងរយៈពេល6ទៅ8សប្តាហ៍